Cauvery, the Supreme Court has formed a bench for this.
Yeah.
So I urge the state government should strongly take up the case of the people of Cauvery belt, including drinking water. Bangalore's issue. There is shortage of water storage. Rainfalls have gone, and already the cauvery crop is taken care by Tamil Nadu. They should put all the facts before the Supreme Court and protect the interest of the farmers of Karnataka. And we are with the state government as far as protection of farmers in Cauvery region. And as far as state government should act now. They have failed in CWMA. They should not repeat in Supreme Court.